Hello students, in our previous class we studied about food chains and food web. Now our topic is how do our activities affect the environment. Students, we human beings are an important part of environment. Our activities change the environment which in turn affect us. Our many activities like deforestation, industrialization, urbanization, these activities cause pollution of land, air, and water. Some of the major effects on the environment due to our activities are pollution, global warming, biomagnification, acid rain, ozone layer depletion, droughts, landslides, earthquakes, floods, etc. In this chapter, we will discuss about two major environmental problems, and these are depletion of ozone layer and waste disposal. So our first topic is ozone layer and its depletion. Ozone is a molecule that contains 3 atoms of oxygen. It has 3 atoms of oxygen combined together. Oxygen is essential for respiration of living organisms, but this ozone is highly poisonous gas. How does it form? Students, in the higher atmosphere, ozone is formed by the action of ultraviolet radiations on oxygen molecule. The high energy ultraviolet rays split the oxygen molecule into 2 highly reactive free oxygen atoms. Each atom of oxygen then reacts with molecular oxygen to form ozone molecule. Understood? In this way, ozone gas is formed, and this gas is located at higher level of the atmosphere, about 20 to 50 kilometers from the Earth's surface. Student, this layer forms a protective layer around the Earth, and it is very important for the existence of life on the Earth. Why? Why it is important? Because it absorbs harmful ultraviolet radiations coming from the sun. Students, the ultraviolet radiations have very harmful effects on human beings and animals. These ultraviolet radiations can cause skin cancer, damage the eyes by causing cataract and other diseases. So this ozone layer protects us from such diseases. Students, it has been found that the amount of ozone in the atmosphere is reducing. See in the diagram, this is stratosphere and this is ozone layer. This is sun. The rays are coming from the sun and these are ultraviolet rays. Okay, and this ozone layer is protecting the earth from these ultraviolet rays. But it has been found that the amount of ozone is in the atmosphere is reducing. See, these places I have made. These are the places where this ozone layer is getting thinner day by day. The depletion of ozone layer is due to the use of these chemicals like chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, and the other ozone depleting substances. These chlorofluorocarbons are very harmful substances. These are used in refrigerators, air conditioners, fire extinguishers, aerosols, etc. When these chlorofluorocarbons reach the stratosphere, they react with ozone gas present in the ozone layer and destroy it. This causes the reduction of ozone layer. The depletion of ozone layer will form ozone holes. See, these are ozone holes. These holes will then allow the harmful ultraviolet radiations coming from the sun to reach the earth. Due to these harmful radiations, all the life on the earth would be destroyed gradually. So, efforts are being made to prevent ozone layer depletion. After observing the thinning of ozone layer over Antarctica, you must have heard about Antarctica, that ozone hole is found there. Many scientists and environmentalists of the world actively intervened in the situation to combat this serious problem. In 1987, UNEP, means United Nations Environmental Program, signed an agreement between its member countries to freeze the production of CFCs at 1986 level. As a result of this, the use of CFCs is now banned in many countries. But as these chemicals have long life, the effect of existing ones is continued. Even if we stop the use of CFCs, the damage to the ozone layer that has already occurred may still take about 100 years to recover. So it is the necessity to prevent this ozone layer being depleted. Okay students, this is all about this ozone layer depletion. Our next topic will be how we can manage the garbage we produce.